Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to blur a photo on iPhone. So to do this process, first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Photos application. Now over here guys, on your photos, of course, just simply select the photo that you want to blur. Now, once you are on your photo, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines down below on the right side of the screen. And pretty much if you have the portrait onto your iPhone, you should be able to adjust it and blur the background. However, if you want to blur a specific photo, in other cases or updated version of iPhone, down below you should be able to see clean up and you should be able to blur faces and other stuff. And pretty much you would just simply select the specific part and you should be able to blur it. But if you don't like me, you should be able to see the pencil icon on the top right corner of the screen, and pretty much it will be the markup tool. So here on the markup tool, guys, the best option that you have is going for the marker over here, the third option, and just simply selecting the color white. So this is an alternative way, and pretty much you would provide the capacity over here to 100 to 90, and now you could just simply go ahead and color out or blur out the specific image or part of the photo that you want to blur. And pretty much these are the built-in features that iPhone have that you could do. Or you could just simply go ahead and use a third-party application by just simply going for the App Store, and you could just simply search for the blur photo editor, and pretty much there are a lot of application over here that you could use, and you could just simply get this third party application, and these are a great tool as well to blur your photo. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.